Hey there, welcome to Ferrer Digital Marketing. In this video, we're answering your most common questions about career opportunities at our agency, how to apply, what we're looking for, and what it's like to work with us. Let's get started. How can I apply for a position at Ferrer Digital Marketing? It's easy. Just head over to our official website and click on the Careers section. There, you'll find current job openings, along with a simple form to send in your application. What are the basic requirements to work at Ferrer Digital Marketing? Requirements vary by role, but in general, we look for relevant academic background, experience in digital marketing, strong communication skills, and a collaborative, proactive mindset. What are the main responsibilities of a professional at Ferrer Digital Marketing? Our team works on everything from managing digital campaigns to analyzing performance, creating content, and engaging with clients. Each role is different, but our mission is always the same: delivering success through smart, results-driven strategies. Does Ferrer Digital Marketing offer training and professional development? Yes, absolutely. We believe in helping our team grow. That includes internal training, access to courses, and opportunities to learn directly from experienced professionals in the field. What's the working environment like at Ferrer Digital Marketing? Our environment is dynamic, creative, and focused on collaboration. We support teamwork, encourage new ideas, and celebrate results. It's a space where people grow and make a real impact. Is it possible to work remotely at Ferrer Digital Marketing? Yes, in many cases. We understand the importance of flexibility and work-life balance. Depending on the role and project needs, remote work is definitely an option. What are the values and mission of Ferrer Digital Marketing? We're guided by transparency, innovation, integrity, and a deep commitment to delivering results for our clients. Our mission is to provide outstanding digital solutions that help businesses grow while building meaningful, lasting relationships. What are the career progression opportunities at Ferrer Digital Marketing? We value growth, and we invest in our people. Whether it's moving into leadership, expanding responsibilities, or specializing in a key area, we offer clear paths for career development. Ready to join a team that values creativity, growth, and real results? Visit the Careers section on our website and apply today. Thanks for watching, and we hope to welcome you soon to Ferrer Digital Marketing.